time I didn't see the young one maybe last year we never saw the young lion like this.
Ma guarda questo orsacchiotto qua.
E l'altro là, senti.
They're hungry.
They are hungry.
Yeah. Those two there. It's beautiful, those pictures in those two. Maybe let me try forward for you at the back.
Okay.
Maybe they're gonna.
Guarda quello là con il petto proprio, piegato indietro.
This female is nervous.
Yeah, this one.
Looks like one is another age.
Yes, it's not the same age, yeah.
One is smaller.
One is more smaller, yeah. Because it looks like maybe one they got one, the other one they got three.
Yes.
And they combine those youngsters to stay together.
Quindi sono due famiglie, quindi questo è questo.
Sì, esatto, fa una.
Looks like lots of male again on those youngsters. I saw
Vedi che
two,
tre hanno la stessa età e uno un po' più piccolo, quindi pensano
three,
che tre
it's a male,
siano
I'm sure
uno
one to
di una
female.
e uno dell'altro e poi li mettono insieme. No, tre.
looks like two male and two female. Oh, three female. You're three male and one female. The one close to us here that look at us now is a female. The other three, they're a male.
Sì, perché non so much.
Yeah.